Next time around, fuck, I want it to be different, yeah. Waiting on a sign, guess it's time for a different prayer. Lord, please save her. Hey girl, we need to talk. I am just now coming out of a funky mood that I've had since the weekend. It stemmed from me not getting this position in a marketing role. And if you're not new here, or if you're new here, I am transitioning into marketing. And I just felt like this would be a great step into the marketing world and finally getting my toes wet so I can, get some experience under my belt under marketing. And so they were moving fairly quickly. Like, I think I applied that Monday and then they reached out to me that Thursday for an interview. So I was getting so excited, but also the little hater of my cycle came that I want to say it was either that same day or the next day after that. And I was like, oh my God. I don't know if it's just me, but I have major anxiety when I'm on my cycle. And actually, no, my cycle came, I think was that Wednesday or something like that. And I already was a little emotional, but I was very excited when I got the email that I got the interview. And so I'm like, okay, well, let me rest today, Friday. For me, I like to prepare. I don't like to go into an interview blind. Like, I wish that I could just go into an interview and not having to prep before. But for me, I have to. If I don't prepare, I will say anything out of the ordinary, off the wall. It'll be a whole mess. I didn't get a chance to really prep myself until I want to say it was that Sunday, because I just felt so out of it. You know how you feel on your cycle. Like, you just feel so out of it. Your energy is like completely gone. Ended up studying that Sunday and I started freaking out so bad. So bad. The interview was that Tuesday and I hadn't prepared. And even though, like, yeah, that's still a little bit more time, but I don't know. I just started freaking out. That's just how my cycle does. Had me ready to start crying. I had to talk to one of my best friends. She calmed me down. She was like, girl, just be gentle with yourself. I was like, I'm going to take your advice. I'm going to take your advice because I needed to be gentle with myself. And I talked to my husband, of course. He calmed me down. So I just went into that mode of, okay, let's interview prep. I prepared all that Sunday. I prepared all that Monday. The day comes, which is that Tuesday for the interview. I'm like, okay, I'm ready to get it over with. I felt like the interview was going pretty well. I answered all of the recruiters' questions. So I'm like, okay, well, I feel like this could be it, but also I don't know. Of course, I asked my questions and everything. So we got off the phone and I was like, okay, well, let's just see what happens. See if the hiring manager wants to speak to me further and everything. I got a little too caught up in I'm going to advance to the next round because I just know I am. I didn't advance to the next round.
They sent me an email that Friday and basically told me that same generic sentence. We decided to go with another candidate. Once I hear that, I said, oh, here we go. So, of course, after that moment, I was bummed. And this is why I try not to get my heartstrings caught up in something because you just never know. But also, you want to, believe in yourself, and say like, okay, I'm going to get this. Because if you doubt yourself and be like, oh, I'm not going to get this, maybe that's a psychology thing. Maybe I need to start doing that because like it's like a reverse psychology thing. If I end up just saying like, okay, I'm not going to get this job, and then you get the job, I don't know. I shouldn't even have to do that.
My mom was like, are you okay? I'm like, no, I'm over it. I was like, I am over it. Okay. And then like my husband tried to cheer me up. I was so out of it. I was so bummed because I really wanted to move to the next round.
I think it took me at least 3 days for me to get myself together. Like, I kind of had to tell myself, like, girl, get up. Girl, get up. We ain't got time to be, mad at the world or bummed about a job.
You're just going to have to keep applying for more roles in marketing. Like one no means that a yes is coming around the corner. But I'm back to normal, clearly, because I'm kikiing and I'm laughing. So I'm back to it. But baby, I was like this. This was me. irritated. Just straight irritated. It's okay to have those moments. It's okay to feel. And I'm learning that more and more that it is okay to feel.
Thank you for wanting a verse from me. Apologies for the wait, sometimes it's hard to make the distractions up off you. For enough time to jot your thoughts, but fuck it, this morning I got to. I'm thinking about you. I heard you just had you another little baby. Congratulations. I hope you got through it with no complications. I find it amazing the way that you tell me your kids, the biz, the fame, the bitches that's hating. They sit around waiting for you to fall off like the album I'm making. But I hope that you taking a little time for yourself. Still in a moment or two to unwind between the hectic sounds of your precious baby crying. Do you clear your mind? Must be a lot going on. I hear it in all of your songs. Niggas been doing you wrong. Barely been doing you wrong. On days you feeling like you on your own. I wrote this for you to put on. Thank you for sharing your light, your voice, and writing a beautiful poem. Session 32, bring me to tears. Be getting choked up when I hear it. Seem like I keep crying off so much since a nigga had these kids. And I don't know what it is that made me so sensitive. More than I already was. Whenever I'm at, I'm back. I'm sending you this little audio hug. And hopes that you smile, forgetting the stress that piles from all the above. The more that we hurt, the harder we love. As soon as it's gone, we gotta re-up. It's just like a drug. If people knew half of the pressure, they know that it's hard to be hugged.
Jump scare.
Holding us down, y'all holding the crowns. You ever need something from me, don't hesitate, please. Just hit me and I'll be around. I'm gone.
Now be with the hit maker.
She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm no much. She said take your time, what's the rush? I said baby I'm a dog, I'm no much. I'm a dog, I'm no much. I get smoked already so hard in my blood it is. I see that pretty face so I got trouble trusting. But I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable so you can bring my heart.
Cleaning in your 30s is ridiculously tiring. I literally dusted, cleaned everything a few days ago, and now the dust is back. Dust is a hater. I'm just going to say that. Dust is a hater. Because why are you coming back so often? If someone was to ask me, if you came into some money today, what is the first thing that you would do? Girl, hire a maid. Hire a maid. But really, of course, pay my bills off. Now, let's just say that. Let me put that out there. Definitely pay my bills. Okay? But really, hire a maid. Hire a chef. So then that way, I do not have to do that. Okay? Have a maid to come up in here and clean, leave it spotless, have the chef in here to cook for me so I don't have to think of what am I eating today, because that's getting on my last nerve too. So when I be rich and you see that maid and you see that chef, just know your girl made it. Your girl made it. 2025 got somewhere to be because the way these days are moving, I'm like, wait a minute, I still got to get it together. Like, tomorrow is New Year's Eve.
I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm no much. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm no much. I'm a dog, I'm no much. No crib, talk, come through, it's time to break it in. 32 like my pants size, 'cause I'm start breaking it. No condo, say your name at the front. You can stay if you want. It's been one of those nights, I ain't had in a minute. It's been a minute, had to pop a jewelry, ain't a feeling. But it's never the same as the first time we did it. First time we did it. But I let my guard down for you. Said I put my guard down for you. Said I'll be vulnerable, so you can break my heart if you want to. She said, take your time, what's the rush? Take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a man. She said, take your time.
It's New Year's Eve, and me and my husband are going on a date night. I haven't been out on New Year's Eve in like forever, really. I just be in the house with my feet rubbed together, watching some movies, baking cookies, but we're doing something a little different this year. So I gotta get myself together, gotta get this face beat.
Watch me going out of the way when I should've went home. Only time of the day I get to spend on my own. I was tripping off high, used to sleep at your crib. Should drive out right where you live and pick you up on the way. We ain't spoken so long.
Now, I've never been to New York Prime Steakhouse, but I'm really hoping the food is good. It was my mom's suggestion, so she would never steer me wrong. So I really hope the food is good. And honestly, I might just get me a steak. But I did see lamb chops. I'm a lamb chop girl down.
So get your ass in the car, come through.
I was not feeling my eyeshadow, so I had to take it off. So brown dress, gold eyeshadow will look way better. I'm actually just gonna use my Juvia's Place Culture palette. I feel like this gold is really cute. Shona, I feel like she'll be really nice with this brown dress.
Yeah. Last night I brought DOA to the studio. They already had a stage and a booty pole. It's supposed to be a lot of hard working going on. But who the fuck can focus with this twerking going on? Someone put an order in for a chicken. Told my girl to order in, I need the kitchen. Yeah, they know I got the hook up, they just wait on me to cook up, baby. I heat up the stove, you do the dishes, you know. Rap game, crack game, ain't that different, you know. Last album had it booming, something vicious, you know. And you know I need you back in my life. Girl, you know you got that thing that I like. Girl, you got that thing for real. When I was on a mission to make it, who used to sleep on the floor with you when you lived in the basement? Who else got all the things you need at 4 a.m. when it's late? I always pour you up a drink and let you burn something. Come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car and come through, come through, come through, come through. Girl, you know we got things to do. Girl, you know we got things to do. So get your ass in the car and come through.
Come on, girl, tell me how you feel.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Baby boy, not a day goes by without my fantasy.
Come on, girl, tell me what's the deal.
I think about you all the time. I see you in my dreams.
You don't know the love is real.
Oh, my baby girl. Yes, no, hurt me so good, baby. Oh, I'm so wrapped up in your love. Let me go. Let me breathe. Stay out my fantasy.
But they ready to give me the thing, they're ready to really get to dive. Tell me all about the things where you were fantasize. I know you dig the way my step, the way my make me stride.
They look dapper. Chris, why you ain't put that suit? Nah, he got that thing tailor-made. Okay.
Yeah. Really good.
Well, I do want to go to a ball on New Year's Eve. I do want to go to...
You look really good, babe.
You just make me blush all over again. Thank you, hubby. And you look very handsome yourself.
Well, you know I try.
No, you don't have to try. You do.
Just to really think about it all. Like, what?
You hear that?
No way. No way. Ain't no way. So,
We're aligned.
yo, I ain't finna be crying in this
No,
this
do it.
restaurant.
Please don't make me cry. I don't want to cry. I chose this song because we got married in September.
No way. That's crazy. No
That's
way.
what I say. You hear that? And you was like, what? I'm like, do you not hear that September?
It was a pretty interesting year. And
Ooh.
We made it back from date night. What a beautiful, beautiful night. The food was delish. So good. It warmed my heart. Now I can decompress. I just finished showering and getting myself ready for bed. Cozy pajamas, you know, my little set. Yep. So it's 10 o'clock right now. So I have enough time to watch my favorite movie, a classic, Waiting to Exhale. Leaving? You better tell him, Angela. White woman. Whitney is that girl, honey. The French roll, all of it. I can't believe Whitney is gone. I can't believe Whitney's gone. The soundtrack is elite. Hands down, Babyface did that. Okay? Angela, get it. Throw them clothes, Angela, throw. Yes. Yes. Burn his clothes, Angela. Burn it. Burn all of it. If this don't make you feel liberated, my goodness, burn his clothes. You know, if you want to act up, burn his clothes. You know? This dress is the moment. Serving main character. Woo! And why would I open the door for your drunk skunk self?
Don't you throw that up here. You raggedy.
Loretta.
Oh, God, I hope he's not watching me walk away.
Oh, you know it, girl. You better switch them hips. Clink, clink.
Y'all.
Be their mama and their daddy and they ugly. I'd rather live alone than crawl up behind some two-timing loser like Kenny.
He ain't no good man. Far from a good man, mama.
I really cannot believe it's about to be 2026 in 2 minutes. So I paused the movie. That way I could do the countdown with them on Waiting to Exhale.
4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year, Kimmy Bae.